This is a Tombert brand hardshell case designed for storing Pokemon trading cards. I received this case for free to review, but I have not been paid for my review and my opinions are my own. So it has, you can squeeze it, but it's relatively hard. This is the black and white version. It has a wraparound zipper. And inside it has a Velcro divider, so you can set this divider up at different positions, so you can choose where you put this divider. I think for trading cards you'd probably put it right in the middle and have two sets of cards here. It has a small black wrist lanyard, and there is a nylon loop here that you could put this through. Probably going to take a little bit of effort to get it through that guy. It's kind of a crab hook. So you can hook that on there, and it comes with a little, your very cheap carabiner style clip. So thinking outside of the box, this guy is, say, 5.5 by 4.5 by about 2 inches tall. So anything that would fit in this general container size could be stored in this. So I have various USB loads and power meters that I use when I'm testing out various USB devices. And so my plan is to use this storage case as an organizational system to kind of keep this and a couple of USB cables in this case, so I can basically have all my USB power testing gear in one spot. I know where I can grab it, it's all contained, and so that's what I'm planning on using this case for. Now, I wouldn't call this waterproof, but it's pretty water resistant. It's kind of a plasticky cover here, so if you had this out in the rain, something inside would probably be okay unless you were in a serious thunderstorm for a long period of time. The zipper kind of has a piece of cloth that covers up most of the hole in the zipper there. It doesn't really feel like it's waterproof cloth, but protecting from splashes, light drizzles, I think things inside of this would be relatively safe as long as you're not dropping it immersing it in a body of water.